Hi, I'm Samyukta Shri, pursuing 4th year BLLB honors at SRM School of Law, SRM IST KTR. Today, I'll be guiding you to the procedure to file an EFIR. The Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita BNSS 2023 has replaced the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, introducing several new provisions including Zero FIR and EFIR. EFIR simply the registration of first information report electronically. I will further guide you through the procedure to file an EFIR. Step 1. Go to Google and search for EFIR. The search result will show the official website of the state police. Step 2. On the official website of the state police, it will show various case status options. Among this option, find and click Register a Complaint. Step 3. Provide basic information such as your name, phone number, enter the CAPTCHA code and OTP will be sent to your phone number. After verification, proceed for the further step. Step 4. Fill the details about the case, including subject of the case, date and place of occurrence, description of the complaint, upload any relevant document up to 500 KB and enter gender, date of birth, district. Complete the process to register the EFIR. Step 5. Visit the police station within 3 days to physically sign the FIR. Step 6. The registration of EFIR needed to be manually recorded in the police station. Step 7. If the nature and the gravity of the information sent to the police station requires immediate action, the complaint will be registered in the name of the investigator officer. Later, it will be shifted to the name of the complainant. All cognizable offence can be registered under the EFIR. In conclusion, this system enhances accessibility, transparency and efficiency, allowing citizens to initiate legal proceedings. This procedure convenience with formal requirements such as physical signature and record keeping, thus integrating traditional and digital process for better law enforcement.